back with another video. Today is October the 10th, my birthday. And I'm coming in because I just want you guys to spend my birthday with me. Not everything I do, but just come along with me just for a few portions of the day. So come along. That's done. So let's go to the next place. All right, we have a laundry order to pick up at 10, and it's only 8:44 right now. So I think I want to stop by this grocery store called Lidl. It's like a foreign store, so let's go. Okay guys, we're getting close to the store, so let me get over there. the store, so let me run in. I got the goods. This is some good bread right here. I think I showed it to you in my last haul where I made some French toast with it. That's some good bread. Come on, don't do this already. That's some good bread to make French toast. And then I saw this cheese pretzel. That looks good. So I'm going to take it home and I'm going to put it in the microwave for about 5 seconds. Warm it up a little bit. So, happy birthday to me. So now, let's get to our next stop. And the next stop is to get gas. Okay guys, now we're on our way to pick up my free Starbucks drink. So let's go get this birthday drink from Starbucks. Okay, I've never been to this Starbucks before, so I was having a little hard time finding it. This okay, guys, I got my free Starbucks drink. I got the venti mocha cookie frappe, and it looks so good. So let me try it. Hold on for a second, guys. All right, let's give it a try. I haven't had Starbucks in a minute. That's good. With those pieces of cookie in there, it's so good. And I like that for your birthday you can get the largest, whatever size you desire. You know I got the largest. All right guys, on to our next stop. these Starbucks don't have a lot of parking. It's kind of tight. I've never been to this Starbucks before, but the drink was delicious. It is delicious. So let's get to our next spot, which is where I'm going to be eating lunch, and that is Cheddar's. But I have an hour before they open, so we're gonna see what we, as I was saying, we're gonna see what we can do until the store opens. The restaurant opens at 11. All right, so let's get started. Cheddar's is right here.
Take the next right.
But
your destination will be on the left.
We're gonna park for a minute.
Your destination is on the left.
Until they open. Guys, I have 55 minutes. Oh, okay, I have 55 minutes before Cheddar's open, and I've been wanting Cheddar's for a minute now, so I decided I'm going ahead and I'm gonna get it for my birthday. So we're gonna sit out here. I think I'm gonna read my Bible a little bit and listen to some little TikToks, and then by that time that 55 minutes is gonna come in real fast. Anyway, I'll see you when I'm inside of Cheddar's.
According to the law and custom.
Hey guys, I was just sitting out here. I was listening to my Bible, and then I got on TikTok, and there was a gentleman singing a particular song, because he was one of the ones that was left in the storm, the hurricane in Florida. And I've heard that the hurricane went from a category 5 to a category 2. And all I can say, God is so good, God is so merciful. And it kind of brought tears to my eyes. So this is a song that he was singing. I'm going to try to bless you guys with bits and pieces of it so I won't get a copyright. So here we go.
Silence the noise in my mind, Lord, and open the eyes of my heart. I want to see you, of your glory. Pour out your holy.
That kind of blessed me this morning. So I have about 10 more minutes before I'll be going into Cheddar's over here. So I just wanted to bless you guys with that. And you guys, I will see you once I get in the restaurant. Okay, I'm in Cheddar's. This is the bathroom. Just going here before I have to go get my dinner. I want croissants. I didn't know if I had to pay for them, but she said they come with the meal. So let's see what we want. I get a free Krispy Kreme donut. I mean, a 3-box. I don't know if I want to get it today or tomorrow. I think I may just wait till tomorrow to get that. But right now, do I want to make another stop? I think I'm just going to go on to the house. So we're going to go on to the house and relax until it's time to go to work. And then I'll get my free donuts tomorrow. And plus I need to go to the Dollar Tree. But anyway, guys, thank you for hanging out with me on my birthday. So right now I'm going home and I'm going to relax a little bit. Because right now, you know, once you get a little older, you just thank God for seeing another year. Anyway, I'm going home and relax. You guys be blessed. Just take a look at this carrot cake. It looks so good. I'm going to indulge once I get home. But right now, I'm stuffed. Happy birthday to me.